Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.9 Question number 3. Find the angle between the line r vector equal 2I minus j plus k plus t into I plus 2j minus 2k and the plan r dot 6I plus 3j plus 2k equal to 8. Here, equation of the given plan. Given plan is r vector dot 6I plus 3j plus 2k equal to 8. Therefore, you can say from this n vector, we'll keep it n1. n1 vector is 6I plus 3j plus 2k. And the line, the equation of the line is given as r vector equal 2I minus j plus k plus t vector t of I vector plus 2j minus 2k. Here from this vector b that is parallel to the line is I plus 2j minus 2k. Therefore, angle between a line and a plan, between a line and a plan is sine theta equal modulus of b vector dot n vector over modulus of b vector modulus of n vector. Here b vector is I plus 2j minus 2k dot product of n vector is n1 vector is I 6I plus 3j plus 2k over the modulus of h 1 square 2 square minus 2 square into 6 square 3 square 2 square. Therefore, sine theta equal here 1 into 6 1 into 6 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 2 over square root of 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 2 minus 2 square is 4. Like here also 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, which is equal 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 minus 4 is 8 over square root of 9 is 3, and here 49 square root of 49 is 7. So sine theta eight over 21. Therefore, theta equal to sine inverse 8 over 21. So this is the angle between a line and a plan. We'll do next question. Find the angle between a plan's r vector dot I plus j minus 2k equal to 3 and 2x minus 2y plus z equal to 2. Here the given plans are r vector dot I plus j minus 2k equal 3 and next one is 2x minus 2y plus z equal to 2. These are equation of two planes. Now, which is further equal, we can write it. This is r vector dot 2i minus 2j plus k equal to. Therefore, here n1 vector is I plus j minus 2k, and n2 is for the second vector is 2i minus j plus k. So the angle between the plane is angle between the given planes is cos theta, because both are plane here. Cos theta is n1 dot vector n2 over n1 modulus of vector n2. Therefore, cos theta equal n1 is I j minus 2k dot product 2i minus j plus k over square root of 1 square minus 2 square and square root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. Now, therefore, cos theta equal the dot product of these two things, 1 into 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 2 into 1, that is 1 into 2 minus plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1 over here 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 2. So that is square root of 6 and square root of 6, which gives cos theta equal 1 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, that is minus 1. One into 2 minus 1 into minus 2, here ij to k minus 2i 2j here, this is 2j, here 2j, here square root of 9. Therefore, we have minus 2 over 1 into 2, then here the modulus have to do this, I can do the modulus values also there. Here that is minus of 2 over 3 root 6, which is cos theta equal 2 over 3 root 6, because we are taking the positive values. That means acute angle. Now this is therefore theta equal cos inverse 2 over 3 root 6. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.